Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
And today, Dale and Michael are up against each other in a bit of a challenge. Michael is a fully fledged time-served mechanic and has been for a number of years now. I class myself as a bit of a hobby mechanic. I can put my hand to things, but I know my limit. So what we're going to do, we've got a simple job today on my daily driver, Skoda Octavia. We're going to do
rear pads and discs.
So what we're going to do, we're going to start the clock, and every sort of 5 minutes we're going to start the camera back up and talk where we are at what point of a very simple job on a car, on a bit of a...
Yeah, just day-to-day maintenance, isn't it? Yeah.
Exactly that, yeah. And just to see how far behind a hobby mechanic is going to be behind a fully fledged mechanic.
No pressure, you do that.
So, yeah, we're not going to literally, you're not going to watch us change discs and pads because that could get pretty boring, and you know, there might be a bit of swerving as well by me. So we're just going to start the camera back up every 5 minutes and see where we're at and how we're getting on. So yeah, Michael, you up for the challenge?
Let's go.
We're using Don everyday brakes for the Skoda.
I've never come across them before.
And we're using Jacko parts for the pads.
Again, never used them. Times are out
Right, we've got everything set up, we're ready to go.
Well,
so
yeah,
we'll, I suppose we'll see you in 5 minutes.
let's have a go there.
Right.
I've got the guns, I'm already.
Right, go on then, Michael. I'll spin my wheel. Look where. So,
3 minutes in.
are we? Feels like we're fucking 10. I'll tell you where I've got the wheel off. I've got the two bolts that hold that bolt into sliders. I've got them out, and then I've got my pads out.
You've got your pads out.
I've got my pads out, and that's it up to now.
I've got the wheel off, caliper off, disc off, and I'm just winding the piston back now. And then we'll grease everything up, wire wheel everything, put it back together.
Oh, you know. I better hurry up. Let's quick look. Quick look, see where that.
I think you've
Your money's worth out then, didn't
I think you've definitely got your money's worth out of them. Metal to metal. I mean, you weren't far off that pad coming out with that, to be honest with you.
Oh. Yeah, that's pretty good. So that's Michael's side.
I won't cheat, I won't start again while you're doing this, so.
No, I'm here now.
You're not far behind.
Plodding away, just ticking along. Right, get off that. See you in 5 minutes. Stop it, cheater.
Caught me at it again.
So, Michael, I don't know how far we're in because we have been talking as well. Where are you up to?
My disc's back on, carpenter's gone by, everything's flamed up, just about to put the pads in and put it back together. Job done, really.
Well, I think you should put the kettle on then and just leave it to for a
How far have you got, like?
The disc's off, and again, definitely got my money's worth out with them. The pads are out, obviously, and I'm just about to wind the piston back into the caliper.
That takes longer than what you think.
I know, yeah. I've had 2 turns and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to have a minute rest. And that's it.
That's it.
And then what you said, I'm going to do that next.
Mind your piston back.
Mind your piston back, Michael. So a quick look. Look at this.
Go on then.
Oh, Michael.
Shiny, shiny.
Shiny. I like it.
You're a lot quieter now.
Then on my side. There's the disc on the floor. And still.
You're getting there, you're getting there.
We're getting there, aren't we? We're getting there. Right. See you in what?
Couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes.
Eddie ding dong. Hey!
I'm done.
Oh, no, you're done because I've just put the wheel on.
How are you getting on?
Done?
Done.
Done? Where's my wheel? I'm not done. I'm far from done.
I've a nightmare winding them pistons back in there.
Yeah, I think I got the harder side. That's all it was. So, must have had some recent work done on that side, mate, I think.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
The easy side.
Yeah, Michael's done. Michael's done.
You're not far off, are you?
No, I've only got the discs on. I've got the
Pads to go back, pads to grease and go back in. Go back on the wheel on.
yeah. So
Job's a good one.
job's a good one. A bit of fun. Let's have a quick look. Obviously, you don't need to know what it looks like with the wheel on, but there it is, a new shiny disc. And if anything, Michael, I convinced you to do this video, and I did get me brakes done tonight for free.
There you go.
Yeah, you don't need to watch us do this bit, so.
Look, I'm pinching your jelly.
Oh yeah. So I'm going to put the kettle on then. Congratulations, Michael.
Teamwork, mate. We done it. We got there in the end.
I won't give up your fucking day job, look. Well done, mate. I know, look at that. We stopped timing there because, yeah, Michael went hands down, which was obvious.
Spent my good talking as well.
Yeah, we did, yeah. I mind not pissing back.
It's all good fun.
Yeah, so there you go. Like I say, hobby mechanic versus a proper professional mechanic. But it just shows that jobs can be done, but they're going to take, I'd say, twice as long, I'd say.
Yeah, and if you don't know, like, especially with these rear brakes where you have to wind the pistons and that back, it's easy to get tripped up, like, if you don't really, you know.
Yeah, definitely. I think on your driveway as well.
It can be hard work.
Yeah.
I've had it myself where I've
Yeah.
regretted doing stuff on the driveway.
Yeah, I reckon you know, you could start panicking and thinking, I need the car for the next day, and I think you know, I'd keep it for your, not for your dailies, you know, unless it's a simple job. If it's for your car that's in the garage, I say get on and have a go and do anything you can on it. You know, get stuck in, and then if you do get stuck, you don't need it for the next day and things like that. So there you go, Michael.
The daily's back on the road again.
Yeah, the Skoda lives to break another day. Awesome. So that was a bit of a fun video there by Spottedmotors. We have more serious stuff in the back catalogue, so get over there, get involved, and have a look. I'm sure there's something that you like in there.
Absolutely.
So Michael.
Now that's done. Back on the race cars. So.
Yes.
Yes. As always.
Thank you very much for watching.
We've been
Spottedmotors.
Job's a good one.
Job's a good one, Michael.
Stay home.